guys, welcome back to another short. Don't worry about my hair, I just took a bath. So, my mom just ordered me 2 butter squishies and a lot of noodles. I don't know why I have that many. So, why wait for the butter squishies that you ordered to arrive? Why not just make a homemade butter squishy? It's so easy to make. You should only use 3 ingredients: foil, clay, and a marker to draw on it. That's all, and I'm gonna write the tutorial in the description. Bye guys, get your butter squishies right now because they might sell out so soon, like people are going crazy with them. So bye guys, have a nice day and like and subscribe.